If you're after a tall and refreshing summer spring cocktail, keep watching. Today I'm going to make a limoncello spritz. Hi everybody, welcome back. So for all of my viewers that aren't in Australia or this part of the world, we're in spring now, summer's not far away. You guys I know are into fall or autumn, but this drink is good any time of the year. It is a limoncello spritz and it's really easy to make. I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to build this cocktail, which means I'm going to make it in the glass. You want a wine goblet with plenty of ice. All right, and the first ingredient that it calls for obviously is limoncello. I'm going to do 45 mils or ounce and a half. I'm using the Manly Spirits limoncello, which is one that's made here in Sydney or Manly in Australia. If you can't get this in whichever part of the world you're in, you can make your own limoncello. You can even just buy another brand. I'm then going to add just a squeeze wedge of lemon. So it's going to be the garnish, going to add a little bit of sourness to the cocktail as well. Just a touch of sugar syrup, just a little touch there, okay? And last but not least, we want about 90 mils of Prosecco. If you want to make it a bit bigger, you could do like 60 mils or 2 ounces of limoncello, so just work out the balance for yourself. Give it a nice stir. Limoncello spritz, how easy is that? Let's give it a try. Yum! Well balanced, refreshing. It's actually pretty boozy when you think about it because we're doing nearly a glass of Prosecco, or sparkling wine in there, plus the limoncello. You can't tell it's that boozy, so be careful with it. Just perfect. Once again, as I said, like good all time of the year, but on the deck, out on the patio, the veranda, whatever you want to call it where you are, this is a really perfect drink. So cheers guys. Please like, subscribe. We're trying to get our followers up. It's free. Just hit that subscribe button. If you've got any different types of spritzes that you want me to make a video of, let me know. Hello to all my friends out there and all the other content creators doing cocktails, following you all. See you again soon and let's talk drinks.